swim out. I wouldn't say suite because it's not a full suite, but this is the bathroom area. And this is the shower area. And this is at the Royalton Punta Cana, not Bavaro, because I think Bavaro has suites. Suite luxury room comes with butler service. As you see, a king size bed. We always break down that king size bed. Nice little pool room. Has a closet. Ow, with the safe. Shit. Okay, got a mini bar. That hurts. Restock daily. Little seating area. Bench for the luggage. The eating area. And then, of course, what everybody gets the room for. This is the Diamond Club. This is not all the adults only. That's over on the other side on the hideaway.